Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating a Labconco purifier class 2 biosafety cabinet. It's running at 120 volts. Has its own internal blower. You see right now it's recording some inches of mercury, showing the suction underneath the sash here. You can see right now we have the UV light on it. It does have that option. I'm going to shut that off and go back to the white light. Takes a second because it is fluorescent to come on. It has an outlet switch up here, power and unpower, or turn your accessories off that are running from any of the 4 plugs inside the chamber. Of course, you can turn the blower off. Filter up here. There are covers for these side panels. Obviously, you've seen we've accessed just to get the power. And those covers for both sides, that also has a cover on it, are there. And of course, there's one gas port inside. Very nice tabletop laboratory hood by Labconco. You can see this on our website under our lab equipment section. It's our number 16926. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.